I Love My New Toy by Mo Williams. Hi, Piggy. What are you doing? Look at my new toy. I love my new toy. What does it do? I have no idea. Maybe it is a throwing toy. I love throwing toys. Here, try it. Yes. Zip. Nice throw. Thanks. Zoom. Here it comes. Break. I broke your toy. You broke my toy. My new toy. I am mad and sad. I am mad and sad. I am sorry. You are sorry? Very sorry. I do not care. My new toy is broken. And you broke it. Cool. You have a break and snap toy. Snap. That is a fun toy. Enjoy. Break, snap. Break, snap. Do you want to play with my new toy? No. You do not want to play with my new toy? I do not want to play with your new toy. I want to play with you. Friends are more fun than toys. You're it. No, you are. The end. Please subscribe me.